Israel arrests 22 Palestinians in West Bank raids. OIC condemns Israel tunnel opening in Jerusalem. Turkey and China ties to support global stability, Erdogan. Yemen rebels attack Saudi airport, 9 injured. US vows not to allow Iran to develop nuclear weapons. Iran playing with fire after breaching nuke deal, Trump. Jordan and US joint military drill conclude in UAE. Israel foreign minister visits Abu Dhabi. Over 79,000 more Syrians in Turkey returns to homeland. Sudanese forces arrest 2 opposition leaders. Applying law to end Myanmar's immunity for genocide. Afghan government claims killing 151 militant in 24 hours.